Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I am super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the DSV A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer, a game changer for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. This device is packed with features that will make your printing experience faster, more efficient, and of higher quality. So, let's dive right in and see what makes this printer so special. First off, let's talk about the incredible value you get with the purchase of this printer. With your printer, you'll receive a 2-year supply of ink, which includes 5 bottles of 250 milliliters each and 500 g of powder. This means you'll get a new set of ink every 2 months, and all you need to cover is the shipping cost. This is a huge cost saver, especially for businesses or individuals who print frequently. Imagine having a steady supply of ink without the hassle of constantly ordering and waiting for it to arrive. It's a huge weight off your shoulders, and it allows you to focus on what matters most, creating amazing prints. Another feature that really stood out to me is the ultra-fast XP600 printhead and the upgraded mainboard. This printer is twice as fast as the L1800, printing A3-sized prints in just 5 minutes, and it can produce up to 10 high-quality prints per hour. This is a huge advantage for busy shops or anyone with tight deadlines. The upgraded mainboard enables stable data processing, optimized printhead coordination, and reliable extended use, which means you can print continuously without worrying about the printer malfunctioning. Whether you're running a business or just a DIY enthusiast, this level of speed and reliability is a total game changer. Now, let's talk about the smart timed printhead cleaning and the foldable touch panel. This feature is a total lifesaver, as it allows the printer to clean itself automatically. You can set the cleaning schedule to your liking, and the printer will take care of the rest. This reduces the trouble of printhead clogs and lowers downtime due to malfunctions, which means you can print more and worry less. The foldable touch panel makes it easy to navigate and adjust settings, and it's also super convenient to use. Imagine being able to schedule cleaning and maintenance with just a few taps on the screen. It's incredibly easy and intuitive. The DSV A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer also boasts a 13-inch large printing area and high-resolution printing capabilities. This means you can print wider and larger designs, which is perfect for businesses or individuals who need to print complex or detailed designs. The printer delivers premium 2880x1440 dpi resolution, producing vibrant colors, crisp details, and excellent saturation. Whether you're printing photos, artwork, or marketing materials, this level of quality is sure to impress. And with the large printing area, you can print more in one go, which saves you time and increases your workflow efficiency. Last but not least, let's talk about the advanced dual alarm system. This feature is a dedicated safeguard that keeps your printing smooth and uninterrupted. The ink low-level alarm delivers timely warnings, avoiding frustrating mid-print halts and ensuring consistent top print quality. The built-in waste ink overflow alarm acts proactively, alerting you early to stop leaks and costly floor damage. With this dual protection, you can skip unexpected printing troubles and enjoy worry-free, efficient printing every day. Imagine being able to print without the stress of running out of ink or dealing with messy spills. It's a total peace of mind. In conclusion, the DSV A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer is an incredible device that offers a wide range of features and benefits. From the 2-year ink supply to the ultra-fast XP600 printhead, smart-timed printhead cleaning, large printing area, and advanced dual alarm system, this printer is designed to make your printing experience faster, more efficient, and of higher quality. Whether you're a business owner, DIY enthusiast, or just someone who loves printing, this device is sure to exceed your expectations. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing printer and take your printing to the next level. Trust me, you won't regret it. This printer is a total game changer, and I'm excited to see the amazing things you'll create with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.